Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to edit sleep time on Ultrahuman app. So open the Ultrahuman app and then let's head over here to the sleep section. As you can see here for 84. So click on that, sleep. Alright, now scroll down a little bit and you will see time in bed. So today 6 hours and 8 minutes, and right here in the right side you will see a clock and the pencil icon, so click on that. Alright, and now what we can do is basically we can set up here um, um, our our when we go to bed and when we wake up. And yeah, when you are done, just click save. And yeah, this is pretty much what you need to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.